Second time's a charm. I believe it's time for Sleepy. We all need... No, it's time for you to go to Sleepy. Say goodnight. Say bye-bye. Good job. All right, so what I was saying before is, before I had to go in there and put her to sleep, when that could have been a mess in the making. Oh, my God. But now, this is what I would like to say to everybody. Healing takes place not when you're in pain. What's up, Ada? And this is where most people try to do their most healing, and they try to perfect healing. And it doesn't come when you're having a backache, when you're nauseous, when you're, for you, Ada, in the migraine sense. You have to practice calming yourself down. You have to practice everything that I teach outside. And this is where the tricky part comes. You have to do it in a way where you have to notice it where you are not at your best. So when you're challenging yourself, when you're doing something outside your comfort zone, you learn how to forgive yourself. You learn how to do everything. So now, I'm going to be completely honest. 2 years ago, I bought a house, and my sanctuary went downstairs in my house, and I've been allowing people to call me when I'm doing a live feed, so I'm going to have to ignore that. I'm sorry. I started working on my basement, because my basement's my sanctuary. That's where a lot of my clients come in. So what you're about to see is real life Pat, real life sanctuary. And for all my clients that are going to be watching this, thank you for putting up with this. But now it's getting done. It's like actually doing it. And I want to show you my progression. And this is the whole point of this. I learned how to heal. I learned how to do everything, but it came out of my kids. It came out of me going through life, me working with clients and everywhere else. And I learned how to be easy on myself. So this is about learning how to be easy on yourself as you learn how to get better and better at something. So this is my sanctuary. So this is what people have been putting up with, right? This is my second coat of me putting up drywall. I had a full, hard-on cement basement, and I slowly but surely, within 2 years, have put up walls. I have made a whole electrical room. Now what this is, a whole electrical room, walls, and drywall. I got soundproofing up top. So it's been a work in progress for a very long time, but this is what I want to show you. This is my very first wall, and I'm proud of my wall, even though it shows how amateur I am, right? And I look at this wall, and I look at that and say, I need improvement. I'm never going to stop learning. Now, the whole thing is, I'm a body worker. I'm a healthcare physician. What am I doing, home improvement for? Because that taught me how to be at ease with myself. And then my second wall, where you can see the two of the seams, but infinitely better in the cuts that we made, everything that happens inside my world. Now we're in this world where this is ultimately way better, because now I have way more stuff, and I have to show it to you the after. Right now, this is just my second coat, as well as I had to sand some, and I just got done with the sanding, and I realized that I was looking at it and saying, wow, I'm getting so much better, and I'm happy about this. Oh my God, I'm ridiculously happy. Now, and I have to ask you, how often do you do that? Do you go outside your comfort realm, right? Do something that's challenging, that you have, honestly, no business doing, but there's no harm, no foul in this. This is my world. This is my life. I'm improving it by myself. Instead of reaching out, calling someone to do it perfect and it's awesome, I put my sweat and equity into it. And I love it so much more, even though it shows some of the imperfections, which I have a bunch of clients that poke at me because of it, but I love it. It makes me so proud. Now, how often do you say that? I'm proud of myself. As adults, we tell our kids you should be proud of yourself, but how often do you say you're proud? And remember, kids learn from experience. They watch you, and they don't do exactly what you say. They do what you do. And I showed my son. I was like, look, kid. I call him kid. I was like, look, kid, this one, not so good, but we got a wall where I was happy about it. I'm hitting it, by the way. I can push on it. It's strong. It's sturdy. It's not the best looking, but not best. And then I showed him the next wall, which this wall is going to be my new Now that I'm, playing with it, I'm getting a little bit more comfortable. This wall is going to be a little bit more fancy. I got blackboard paint, magnetic paint, and this is where I'm going to be doing all of my whiteboard work, well, chalkboard work that I was doing here that I kept on seeing my lights. I wasn't really happy with it, but I was doing it. But now it's going to be on here, and it's going to, that's my next project I'm doing today. But you see how excited I am about this? And I'm teaching people how to heal. And what healing comes from is you being proud about the things that you're doing. So in order for me to accomplish all these different steps, there's 3 different walls and 3 completely different looks, and being happy about it. Oh, and don't forget, I did the floors. I did all the insulation work. I did everything down here. I love it down here. And I had to be at ease with myself, forgiving with myself. I had to look at myself and say, my baby's not sleeping. Oh man, that's trouble. I had to say to myself, you know what? I am getting better. I have to keep on working on it. I have to keep on working on it. Now, how often do you say that when you're trying to heal? Most people are like, it's not working. It sucks. I can't do this because they still have the pain. I'm always going to have something harder to work on. Wait till I start working on upstairs, my kids' rooms. Oh, this is going to be awesome when I do that. That's what I want to share with you today, guys. One, I apologize about the little food part with the baby, and I'm going to have to go back in there now. But I would like to say, be easy with yourself. I've said it before. And take your learning how to heal outside of the pain world. Learn how to forgive yourself, for instance. Learn how to be patient with yourself. Learn how to allow yourself to watch and understand. Oh, there goes Stacy. What's up, mama? Learn to allow yourself to understand it's not going to be the first time. It's not going to be the second time. It's not going to be the third time that you get good at anything. It's going to be a while. Now, Stacy, I was telling about what's going on with the world downstairs. I don't think she's going to go to sleep, everybody. I do not think she's going to sleep. So my point is, guys, when you're trying to learn how to heal, you have to take it outside the healing world. Learn how to be easy with yourself. Learn to realize that it's going to take a lot of time, a lot of practice, and a lot of stupid mistakes, but be proud of it. Be happy with it. And be happy with the things that you're doing with yourself. Because honestly, it never stops. Ever. Ever stops. She never stops. But you have to train yourself. You have to be at ease. Now watch. This is my case in point. She knows she needs to go to sleep. Devin, it's time to go to sleep. Come on. It's time to go to sleep. Let's lay down. Come on. Let's lay down. Say bye to everybody. Now let's lay down. Come on. Come on. No, I'm not giving you the phone. Until next time, guys. My battle begins with the baby and putting her down because I'm supposed to be painting now. Not gonna happen. No, I'm not taking you out. Until next time. Peace out.